Have you ever wondered what lies within a humble bulb of garlic? Today, we're diving into the nutritional wonders of garlic. Prepare to be amazed. Garlic, with its pungent aroma, has been a kitchen staple for centuries. But did you know that it offers more than just flavor? It holds a treasure trove of health benefits. So let's peel back the layers and discover what a 100-gram serving of garlic contains. According to research, here's the nutritional profile of 100 grams of raw garlic. Contains calories 149 kcal, carbohydrates 3306 grams, dietary fiber 2.1 grams, sugars 1 gram, protein 636 grams, fat 0.5 grams, and vitamins C and B6. Apart from these, it also contains manganese, selenium, calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. But it's not just about the numbers. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can work wonders for our health. Let's explore some of the incredible health benefits that garlic offers. Immunity boost. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, known for their antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It supports our immune system and helps fight infections. Heart health. Garlic has been linked to improved cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and preventing blood clot formation. It is really a heart-healthy superstar. Anti-inflammatory benefits. The sulfur compounds found in garlic have anti-inflammatory properties, making it potentially helpful in reducing inflammation and alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Digestive health. Garlic promotes digestive health by stimulating digestion, improving gut health, and reducing the risk of gastrointestinal infections due to its antimicrobial properties. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly those of the digestive system. Its antioxidants and cancer-fighting properties make it a valuable addition to our diet. Antioxidant power. Garlic is rich in antioxidants which neutralize free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Now you might be wondering, can diabetics consume garlic? According to research, garlic can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It may improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications associated with the condition. However, personalized dietary advice is crucial, so consult a healthcare professional. And for all the expecting moms out there, garlic is generally considered safe when consumed in moderation. It provides essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese, supporting overall health during pregnancy. However, avoid excessive consumption or garlic supplements without consulting your healthcare professional. Now, a few things to keep in mind while enjoying garlic's benefits. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to garlic, so be cautious if you've experienced allergic reactions in the past. Odor. Garlic can cause strong breath and body odor in some people. Practicing good oral hygiene and using breath fresheners can help alleviate this issue. Medication interactions. Garlic may interact with certain medications, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're taking medications regularly. Before we wrap up, let's debunk a couple of myths about garlic. Myth 1. Garlic can cure all infections. Fact. While garlic has antimicrobial properties, it cannot cure all infections on its own. Medical treatment may still be necessary. Myth 2. Eating raw garlic can instantly lower cholesterol. Fact. While garlic consumption may contribute to lowering cholesterol levels over time, it's not an instant remedy. Results may vary depending on individual health factors and lifestyle habits. So let's embrace the power of garlic and let it take its well-deserved place in our diet. If you found this information fascinating, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more insightful food and health content. Remember, the wonders of garlic are waiting to be discovered. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.